But about what are your two biggest wishes in this year? I would like to wish infinity money and teleport in this year. There are two reasons. First of all, when I have infinity amount of money, I have a lot of advantages. For example, other people work hard to get money. I can have money, infinity money. I don't need to work. Or I can go any place to travel even while traveling in the airplane. I can sit on the best airplane chair. So as a result, infinity money can solve as much as I wanted to buy something. Second, teleport can solve transport times. For example, teleport can go anywhere for a moment. According to a first detail, I says traveling in the airplane. But teleport can go anywhere for a moment. It means like I need 8 hours to go other country. Teleport saves that 8 hours. Finally, I can spend that 8 hour more gratefully. These are the reasons I would like to wish infinity money and teleport in this year. Thank you for listening to my presentation.